Hello everyone. Uh, Previously we reset password for an account and now we will be logging into our domain join computer. So this is a domain join computer. This is my domain. If you have been watching my videos, you know of the setup that I have in my lab. So this is we previously joined this computer to the domain, and this account is a local computer account that we have on this computer. And if we want to log in for the first time, I will click on other users, and you can see here it says sign into MFS ID. And if I want to log in to a local account on this computer, we can just do dot and backslash, and it will, you can see the sign into has changed to the local computer name. So some people I have seen, what they do is they try to find the computer name and then they write the whole computer name. So instead of that, we can just do dot and backslash, and it will automatically switch to the local account. So but we are trying to log into the domain account, so we will do that. And in our previous video we reset password for this account, and we chose the option to change the password on first login. So now we are logging into the first time on this account, and it's asking us the user's password must be changed before signing in. So I'm just gonna do okay. The previous password is already entered here. I just have to set up new password. So I'm gonna do that, enter changing password, and password has been changed. Okay, and it should log into this account. And when we are logging in to any account for the first time, it's gonna take some time because it is now setting up new profile. So this is how we can log into a domain account on a domain joined computer.